Hey everybody, welcome back to 2prettie Studios. Today is Makeup Friday and we are testing out a foundation. I've always heard good things about the Maybelline Fit Me line and I've never tried it. So last night I was at Walmart and decided to give it a go. Today I tried out the Fit Me foundation in 368. That is deep golden. I also tried out the Fit Me powder in 30 medium deep, as well as the Fit Me concealer in 30 deep. If you want to know more, keep watching. Just pouring a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to use one of my regular small dome brushes that I use for my foundation. Okay, so the next product that I have that I'm gonna try from this line, I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me concealer for highlighting under my eyes. I might have gotten the wrong shade. I picked up 35 deep, and then after doing some research after I got home, I found out that 30 caramel is actually darker than 30 deep. So we're gonna try this. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna layer on another concealer that I have. I have one standing next to me, so. Okay, so I turned down my lights and you can get an idea. It actually isn't too bright. It looked very stark previously. And then I also picked up the Fit Me powder, and I picked this up in medium deep because the shade looked like a nice highlight powder shade. And we're back. So it's been about 12 hours since I've applied my makeup. I put it on around 1 o'clock this afternoon. It's currently 1 a.m. So this is what my face is looking like. I have mixed feelings. So the way my face looks right now, I haven't touched up with any powder or anything. Throughout the day I might have like touched my hand to my face, which took off oil like quite a bit actually. I'm just gonna go through and that's the most blotting I do during the day. It has worn down on my face, not too much, but it is wearing down. It did crease a bit on me, but basically all my foundations creased on me, right around my mouth and right underneath my eyes. My issue with this is supposed to be a matte foundation. With all the rest of my matte foundations, I typically don't need a primer or any type of oil control because I don't produce a lot of oil except when I wear makeup. When I wear makeup, I produce oil here and here. My forehead, however, never gets shiny, so I'm not sure how I feel about it. I did wear this for 12 hours, and I don't think that's one of the claims for a long wearing foundation, but it doesn't look horrible. I've had some foundations that look absolutely terrible after this long of a wear. I typically wear most of my foundations this long, so I'm always looking for something that's not gonna make me look like a crazy person by the end of the day. So I'm not upset with it. It did look amazing throughout the day, I will say. Even though it did get a little bit oily, it did almost just look dewy. It didn't look overly greasy, but for a matte foundation, it shouldn't have been what it was. Would I try it again? I would definitely wear this again. I would definitely wear this again. I would want to prime maybe and use like maybe a pore filler matte primer in order to help with creasing and with the fact that it got oily in the T-zone where I don't normally get oily. I literally get oily usually on the tip of my nose and right here on the tip of my chin. But other than that, it did look very pretty today. It looked, once it got oily, I want to say it had to be around the 4-hour mark. It stayed basically the same all day. So that's my wrap up. I would probably recommend this to people. Just make sure you're wearing a primer. And that's Makeup Friday. Have a good night.